Staff at the Barbados Football Association sprang into action on Monday afternoon when a fire broke out on the southern side of the facility, which is part of the Garfield Sobers Sports Complex at Wildey. They grabbed the hoses on the compound and worked on the brush fire until a team from the Barbados Fire Service arrived. President Randy Harris, who was on site, feared for a moment the fire would have reached the artificial turf and melted it away.
Luckily, our maintenance staff saw what was going on and they jumped to it with the number of hoses we have here, and they did quite a job because it was actually coming into the facility.
The facility was opened in April 2018 and work on its development is ongoing.